Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download any Google Play APK using Firefox browser. Alright, let's begin. Open Firefox browser and log into your account. In the search bar, type apkpure.com and press enter. Wait for the website to load. Now you can browse for any APK you want, or use the search bar to find a specific one. For example, let's say you want to download Snapchat. Just type Snapchat in the search bar. Once the results load, open the original app, not a duplicate or modded version. Click Download APK. After that, scroll down and click Download APK again to confirm. The download will now start automatically. Once it's complete, click the folder icon to open the file location. You'll see the APK file saved on your PC. Now you can run it using any Android emulator of your choice like BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player. This method works for nearly any app available on Google Play, making it easy to access APKs directly from your browser. So that's basically how you can download any Google Play APK using Firefox browser. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.